Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're taking a look at 10 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Real listings, real prices, and true collector appeal. Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson FXR, Florida, $4,850. Kicking off the list is a 1984 Harley-Davidson FXR, located in Satsuma, Florida, with an asking price of $4,850. The FXR chassis is widely respected among Harley enthusiasts for its improved handling and stability compared to earlier frames, making it one of the most sought-after platforms from the 1980s. This example is powered by a factory-built S&S 96-inch engine, paired with a Thunderjet setup that enhances throttle response and overall performance. The bike features a later model transmission with electric start, a 3-inch BDL belt drive, progressive rear shocks, and a GMA rear brake caliper. According to the seller, the fuel gauge functions properly, and the motorcycle runs excellent overall. While it is not presented as a fully restored show bike, it represents a solid, upgraded FXR with a clear title, making it appealing for riders who want classic Harley character with modernized reliability. Number 2. 1972 Norton Commando 750 Combat, Tennessee, $8,999. Next up is a very rare 1972 Norton Commando 750 Combat model listed in Brentwood, Tennessee for $8,999. The Combat version was known in its day as one of the fastest production motorcycles available, cementing the Commando's reputation as a performance icon of the British motorcycle era. This particular example has been fully rebuilt and upgraded with Super Blend bearings, addressing one of the known weak points of early high-performance British engines. The seller includes an impressive selection of original parts such as carburetors, airbox, tools, manuals, and an extra solo seat, which adds considerable value for collectors. With everything reported to be in working order, this Commando represents a strong collector piece that balances originality, performance history, and usability. Number 3. 1979 Triumph 750 Bonneville, Florida, $4,500. Listed in Clearwater, Florida for $4,500, this 1979 Triumph 750 Bonneville offers classic British styling with straightforward ownership appeal. Finished in black, the Bonneville remains one of the most recognizable names in motorcycling history, known for its parallel twin engine and timeless proportions. The seller notes that the bike runs and has recently received attention, including carburetor cleaning, an oil change, new spark plugs, and a replaced clutch. While not marketed as a concours example, this Triumph appears to be an honest rider that retains its classic character. For enthusiasts seeking an accessible entry into vintage British motorcycles, this Bonneville offers familiarity, style, and mechanical simplicity. Number 4. 1978 Honda CB750K, Missouri, $5,500. This 1978 Honda CB750K is located in St. Louis, Missouri, and listed at $5,500 with 39,000 miles showing. The CB750 platform helped define the superbike era, and this example blends originality with tasteful customization. Importantly, the OEM frame remains uncut, preserving long-term value. Upgrades include a low-profile Texavina seat, Euro-style handlebars, a Mach 4x1 exhaust, and custom graphite pearl paint sourced from Honda's OEM automotive lineup. Recent maintenance is extensive, including ultrasonic carb cleaning and synchronization, rebuilt front forks, a new battery, and a new fuel petcock. This CB750K offers classic Honda reliability with subtle personalization that still respects the bike's original design. Number 5. 1970 BSA Lightning, Tennessee, $2,000. Offered in Nashville, Tennessee for $2,000, this 1970 BSA Lightning is a long-term custom build with serious mechanical upgrades. The 650 engine has been fitted with an 850 big bore kit, performance headwork, lightened internal components, and twin flat-slide Mikuni carburetors. Additional modifications include custom rear sets, clip-on handlebars, hand-built aluminum bodywork, and custom-laced alloy wheels. The bike was built roughly 20 years ago and then parked after limited street use. It will require recommissioning, including a new electronic ignition system and wiring. For experienced builders or collectors who appreciate period custom craftsmanship, this BSA represents a unique opportunity to revive a highly modified British twin with strong performance potential. Number 6. 1986 Kawasaki Vulcan 750, North Carolina, $2,100. Listed in Hickory, North Carolina at $2,100, this 1986 Kawasaki Vulcan 750 is a classic Japanese cruiser known for reliability and everyday usability. Showing 29,000 miles, the bike has recently been serviced at a professional shop and received a new clutch, new headlight, and fresh fluids throughout. The seller describes it as ready to ride with nothing immediately needed. While the Vulcan may not carry the same collector prestige as some earlier classics, it represents an affordable, dependable vintage cruiser that continues to gain appreciation among riders who value function and comfort over flash. Number 7. 1975 BMW R75/6, South Carolina, $2,400. This 1975 BMW R75/6 is listed in Summerville, South Carolina for $2,400. The R75/6 is part of BMW's respected /6 series, known for smooth boxer engines and durable engineering. According to the seller, the bike starts easily, runs, rides, and has functioning brakes. It will need new tires, and the mileage is unknown, but a title is included. While presented in fair condition, this BMW offers a solid foundation for either a light restoration or continued riding. For enthusiasts drawn to vintage German engineering, this represents an accessible entry point into classic BMW ownership. Number 8. 1973 Yamaha RD 350, Kentucky, $4,500. Located in Louisville, Kentucky and priced at $4,500, this 1973 Yamaha RD 350 is a true two-stroke legend. Lightweight, quick, and known for its aggressive power delivery, the RD 350 earned its nickname as a pocket rocket during the early 1970s. The seller states that everything works as it should and describes the bike as collector quality. as emissions regulations ended the two-stroke street era. Surviving RD 350s have become increasingly collectible. This example appeals to riders and collectors alike who appreciate raw performance, simplicity, and unmistakable two-stroke character. Number 9. 1967 Moto Guzzi V700, Florida, $7,000. This 1967 Moto Guzzi V700 is listed in Hilliard, Florida for $7,000 and has been fully restored from the frame up. Components including the frame, forks, and swing arm have been powder-coated, while the bodywork has been professionally painted in Harley Redline Red. The bike features stainless exhaust, a modern wiring harness with upgraded relays, rebuilt suspension, and a refreshed engine with iron sleeves for long-term durability. The speedometer has been professionally restored, and overall presentation suggests careful attention to detail. For collectors seeking Italian heritage with thoughtful modernization, this V700 offers a compelling blend of history and usability. Number 10. 1976 Honda Goldwing, Florida, $800. Rounding out the list is a 1976 Honda Goldwing project bike listed in Jacksonville, Florida for $800. Early Goldwings are known for their smooth flat-four engines and long-distance comfort, and this example shows just over 32,000 miles. The bike is sold as a project, with parts included but requiring reassembly. There is no title, which buyers should consider carefully depending on local regulations. Still, for mechanically inclined enthusiasts, this Goldwing represents a low-cost opportunity to bring an early touring icon back to life. That wraps up today's list of classic motorcycles for sale. If you enjoy real listings and real market insights, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and we'll see you in the next one.